Cinnamon and honey on their own are both very nutritious and promote the overall health of our bodies. They contain important vitamins such as folate, vitamin C and vitamin E, minerals such as calcium, iron and zinc, and even nutrients such as fiber and protein. When combined together, these two ingredients become a nutrient powerhouse that offers incredible health benefits. Let's discuss these health benefits of cinnamon and honey when it's consumed consistently. 1. First, it can improve digestion when consumed consistently. It can help to manage digestive issues such as constipation, ulcers, and nausea, while also increasing the overall health and functionality of the digestive system. If that wasn't enough, it can also help with the removal of gas from the stomach and intestines, as well as treat stomach aches. Honey is very easy for our body to break down since it is a pre-digested nectar which can soothe our digestive system. Cinnamon is also helpful for its antimicrobial properties in this regard. 2. Cinnamon and honey is also great for our immune system. This mixture can help to boost our immune system, even helping those individuals who may be suffering from chronic fatigue symptoms. It is also helpful for treating common cold and flu symptoms. This is because this mixture is packed with antioxidants. As well, it can help to slow down the growth of bacteria and fungus within the body. 3. It is also great for those individuals suffering from arthritis and may be beneficial in providing relief from these unwanted symptoms. Consuming this mixture can help to relieve joint pain as well as helping to maintain the overall health of our bones. 4. Cinnamon mixed with honey is also great for our skin. Skincare can be maintained from drinking this mixture, or you can treat minor skin infections and pimples by simply applying the paste on the areas of the skin that are troublesome. The skin health benefits are possible due to the mixture's antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant characteristics. Not only are minor infections and pimples reduced, but the appearance of wrinkles and age spots can also be reduced. 5. It is also great for our overall heart health. Both the cinnamon and honey can help to reduce cholesterol levels and protect the heart. High LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis or plaque buildup on the walls of the arteries. This can lead to heart-related disorders and complications and increase the chance of a stroke and heart attack. 6. Lastly, cinnamon mixed with honey can also improve our overall dental health. Both cinnamon and honey are used in this regard. It can help with eliminating bad breath and also help to relieve toothaches, while also promoting the overall health of our teeth due to its antimicrobial properties. Creating the cinnamon and honey mixture is incredibly easy. All you will need is 1 cup of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Make sure the water is not too hot before consuming the mixture.